Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Xbox app login error code 0x0000042B that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer through the Microsoft Store when attempting to sign in or access your Xbox account. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na WS reset. And then next ay click mo lang itong open. And then wait natin. So ang command na ito ay para ma-relaunch or ma-reset ang Microsoft Store para ma-fix ang error. So once nag-open na siya, so ibig sabihin ay na-reset na siya. And then close lang natin. And then next step ay dito lang sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Xbox. And then next step, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung app settings. So click lang natin yan. Okay, so madadirect tayo dito sa Xbox settings. So ang next step ay kailangan lang natin mag-scroll down. And then dito lang sa reset, so kailangan lang natin i-click tong repair. So if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So i-click mo lang tong repair and then wait natin. Okay, so ang next step ay if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan lang natin itong i-reset. So click mo lang tong reset and then pop-up ito na this will permanently delete the app's data on this device including your preferences and sign-in details. So click mo lang tong reset and then wait natin. Right. So, na-reset na natin ito in hope na na-resolve yung problem. If the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin dito. So, dito lang sa date and time, dito sa right side, ay click mo lang siya. So, dito lang sa date and time, so kailangan lang natin gawin dito ay kailangan lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung adjust date and times, click mo lang yun. And then, madadirect tayo dito sa kanyang date and time settings. So, ang gagawin natin dito ay dapat naka-set time automatically, dapat naka-turn on siya. Ito siya. And then, yung set time zone, automatically dapat naka-turn on din. Kapag naka-turn off, so kailangan mo rin turn on. So, same dito sa set time, dapat naka-turn on itong dalawa na to na settings. Right, so ang next step, close lang natin dito. And then, dito lang sa start menu. And then, kailangan lang natin itong mag-restart. Yes, so ganoon lang po simple on how to fix Xbox app login error code 0x0000042B on Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.